Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the review of the drama Backstreet Rookie, released in 2020 with a total number of 16 episodes. Each episode has a runtime of 60 minutes. Let me be honest with you. One of the reasons that I watched this drama was for Ji Chang-wook. I had seen some of his previous works, so that made me watch this drama. Now, going to the story, Ji Chang-wook plays the lead character Cho Dae-hyung. He is a kind-hearted person. His family consists of his parents and a sister who is married. His father loses his job and ends up managing the house while the mother works as an insurance agent. One day, after being dumped by his girlfriend, he runs into a group of female high school students, including Jang Set-yoon, played by Kim Do-jung, who look like troublemakers. Smitten by him, the heroine asks him to buy them cigarettes from a convenience store nearby. Instead, our hero buys them candies. She falls for him and kisses him. Eventually, he ends up giving his mobile number to the heroine, but she never calls. After her mother's death, the heroine's father, a judo teacher, raises her and her sister, but her father also dies. After her father's accidental death, she lives with her younger sister. The heroine discontinues her studies so that her younger sister can continue school. But the younger sister is not interested in studies and wants to become an idol. In the process, she is bullied by some of her seniors and her sister comes to her rescue. Kim Min-kyu plays Kang Ji-wook, a K-pop idol in the drama, who also happens to be the childhood friend of the heroine. He even has a crush on her and tries to impress her and earn her love. The hero now runs a small convenience store after resigning his high-paying office job. High school girls come to his store and take pictures with him. The store doesn't make a lot of money, so he works overtime and burns himself out. As a result, he is on the lookout for a part-time worker to work on night shift at his convenience store. The heroine applies for the job and starts working there. After she joins the store, people flock to the store and store begins to see an increase in sales. She works hard and becomes the employee of the month, and soon she becomes the favorite of the hero's family. The heroine is still head over heels on the hero, but the hero is dating his ex-colleague Shunwa. Unaware to the hero, his girlfriend's father is a second major shareholder of the company that the hero worked. The CEO of the company also happens to be her childhood friend, has a one-sided love for her. With the heroine joining the store as a part-time employee, the girlfriend feels insecure. Finally, she ends up breaking up with the hero because of their family status and her mother's interference. With the girlfriend out of the picture, the hero starts spending more time with the heroine in the convenience store, and he eventually falls in love with the heroine. When the ex-girlfriend finds out the reason why the hero resigned from the company, she tries to woo him back. Will the hero go back to his ex-girlfriend or stay with the heroine? How the heroine solves the problems of the younger sister after she becomes an idol. All these form the rest of the story. Now, going to the highlights of the drama. Number 1. Screenplay. The storyline is rather slow, plain and predictable. However, it is based on real life and ordinary people. A majority of the people live such a plain life and struggle with daily encounters and incidents that do not turn out the way they wanted. This drama is one of the truly touching stories that appreciate working class people who possess integrity, dignity and kind hearts. They deserve to be loved and respected. The drama also covers issues of bullying, the social stratification between the rich and the middle class and throw some light on cyberbullying. The show highlights the sacrifices and the unconditional love of the family towards their loved ones. Number 2. Cast. The age gap of the lead pairs is almost 12 years, so that might be the reason the character development and the chemistry between the main leads are on the lower side. The narrative could have invested effort on the romance element between the lead pairs with Ji Chang-wook on the board. The heroes and the heroine's friend have a love track and it brings in some humor in the drama. Number 3. OST. The songs are all good and I like the track Something. Now going on to the verdict. If you are a fan of Ji Chang-wook, you will like this drama. Going on to the facts of the drama. Number 1. It is based on a webtoon. Number 2. One of the most controversial dramas of 2020. The drama has been promoted as a family romantic comedy. The visuals were extremely bold for the audience. This led to the viewers demanding the show be cancelled, so the drama is under the review after receiving one of the highest number of complaints for the year. Number 3. The actor decided to take the role outside the filming studio and turn it into a real-life store employee for a day. The South Korean heartthrob Ji Chang-wook was seen dressed in a store uniform and sported a mask while he stood behind the cash counter of GS25 store. While he went about surprising the fans, little did he know that the event would end up backfiring. When the news of his part-time job spread online, it came as no surprise that the fans flocked to the convenience store to catch a glimpse of their oppa. However, the pool of fans defied the purpose of social distancing and the actor along with his agency received massive flack for the activity. Now, below is the link to one of the soft numbers from the drama. And for those who haven't watched the show, here's a link that will give you a glimpse of the drama. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.